Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru, back here with another video for you guys. And today is just a tad bit of a different video because we are actually inside of my computer. Lately, I haven't done many videos like this, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. I was doing some trading today. And I actually, for the month of January, kicking in 2025, I haven't done a lot of trading, and I am kind of getting back into the swing of things after the new year, after the holidays. So if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, I definitely would recommend you guys go ahead and get subscribed to the channel. And at the end of the video, if you found some value from it, do go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because over the next coming weeks and months, I am going to be doing a lot of trading due to the fact I'm back into the flow of the things finally in January after the holidays. And I will definitely be taking all of you guys out there on that subscribed on the journey with me. So when I kicked off my trading journey today, which is now January 29th. Woo, we're almost out of January into February, so I guess it's definitely a good time to go ahead and kick it off, right? I was doing my analysis of the market, looking at the higher term time frames. Currently up on the screen, as you guys can see, we do have the Bitcoin chart, that is pulled up. And one important thing that I noticed when I was doing my higher time frame analysis is that over here on Bitcoin, we have this perfect head and inverse head and shoulders here. So I'm expecting price to move up. I automatically created for myself today a very bullish outlook on the market from what's currently going on the 1 hour chart. Now, I kicked off a very profitable day today, and hence the reason why I wanted to go ahead and make today's video for you guys is because the topic of today's video is a tight stop loss will work wonders for high profits inside of the market. And it's actually something that I mentioned in previous videos, and I wanted to really take the time out to do a dedicated video for you guys, because I really feel like when it comes to day trading, especially with cryptocurrency exchanges, high leverage, and it really doesn't matter what market you use. You could be a Forex trader, options trader. What I am going to speak about in today's video, it's something that can be used inside of your journey. Now, since for the use case example in this video, the asset that we are going to be using is Bitcoin. I trade Bitcoin on leveraged cryptocurrency exchanges, right? So typically when I am day trading, I am using 70 to 80x leverage, right? And that's just due to the fact with my trading strategy, I am able to call like bottoms, tops of the market in day trading, and it leads me to be able to take these high leverage trades, right? And I'm going to show you guys a trading example here, because coming down to the lower term time frames, the 5-minute, I was able to get this trade in today where I already had the bullish bias of the market for the day off of seeing that inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour. But to kick the trading day off, I sat in front of the computer around 9 a.m. and not even an hour later, we actually had a bullish divergence on the RSI here. Now, I entered into this trade somewhere, I think actually above 102. We did get a retracement back a little bit, and I picked up more contracts into the trade here just due to the fact of I know we have that bullish inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour, but as you guys can see right here, we also created one on the 5-minute chart as well. And I just want to go ahead and pull out the long tool here, because I just want to show you guys something, because inside of this trade setup that I'm showing you guys, it played directly into my trading plan where I have this extremely tight stop loss for the amount of money that I can potentially make off of this trade here. So now I want to pull up the long position because my average entry, like I said, into this trade was like around 102. So I'm going to go ahead and put it out right here, drag this down a little bit, because the whole time that I was in this trade, my stop loss was just a tad bit below 101,550. So this is a perfect example here. Now, the trade that I am in, I'm going to let you guys know for the day, is still open. We have already took profits on that, and I believe that was around 102.8. That was our first take profit point right up here, just before we hit this last level of resistance. But currently taking a look at the market, even though we've broke past that, and it's very important you guys go down below this video, because now I'm thinking about opening up a short, because just like we had that, bullish divergence right here, currently on the market, we are running a bearish divergence. But I want to do some mathematics here, because going back to the original point of this video, right? We currently see here from our risk to reward ratio tool that overall, right, our stop loss, where we would have set it in order to take this trade, is a 0.46%, right? Now, when we take this 0.46% and times it by the amount of leverage that we're using, so in my case, it's 70x. That's, I don't have the tool here, but typically this is the way it works inside of my trading plan, where it pans out to be somewhere around 30 to 33% of a loss on that trade in particular, right? Now, a lot of people, when they're out here day trading on these leverage exchanges, right, they have their risk to reward just a tad bit wrong. And when I say risk to reward, I really mean your risk management plan in all actuality, just due to the fact that now, let's say you have a $5,000 trading account and you're only looking to risk $100 a trade, right? Most newbie traders that I see out here, they act like they're afraid to use high leverage in trades, and it's only because they've learned about leverage and taking trades a little bit incorrect, right? Because when you take the standpoint that I take, right, I know, let's hypothetically say I'm only willing to lose $100. Most of these traders will do $100 trade on 10x leverage, right? And it's crazy. I just told you guys about the bearish divergence that was just created here. And look, the market is actually dumping. I think I might just have got stopped out of that trade because I had my stop loss in the profit. I want to look at my, I think I had no, not yet. Because, no. I actually did. You guys are actually doing a tad bit of live trading with here. I actually just got stopped out of that trade, and it's crazy because if I wasn't making this video here for you guys today, and I would have just jumped into a short, because I literally just called that divergence that marked here on the 5-minute, and we take a look at the market now starting to jump. But got sidetracked there just a tad bit. But going over to my original point, right? They'll just put the $100 that they're willing to lose on the trade, as opposed to thinking about it just a tad bit different. Because what happens inside of my trading journey, right? This 30 to 33% margin of error on 70x leverage that we have down here, I will take that as the $100, right? So now, when I do my mathematics, let's hypothetically say I have a 30% margin of error. If I could put $400 or $500 in the trade right now, because I know of that $400 or $500, I'm only actually willing or gonna lose 30 to 33%, as opposed to now being the more conservative, scary trader that's afraid of leverage. You do 10x and you just go ahead and, use the $100 and, leave it at that. So I just wanted to kind of make this quick video here. The market is starting to bounce again, and it's actually just 206, and today, June 29th, that we're making this video, there's a FOMC meeting that just happened. So I am going to wrap this video up here. Do me a favor, guys. I hope that tip help someone out there on the YouTube journey, in their trading journey. Do some different trading techniques here. Down below this video in the description, you will find my website. I do one-on-one consultations. I do have a trading course. You can trade with me directly live inside of a group every single day. Something you guys can check out down below this video in the description. Make sure you guys give me that thumbs up if you guys have found some value in it. Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru. I'm out of here, and I will see you guys in the next one.